Faolchú go dtí Let's Learn Irish. Is Misha Arge agus topic na seachtain inniu. Éisc agus Ainmhithe, birds, fish and animals. Agus seoíd na Focail agus na Frásaí. Bat. Sciathán leathair. Bull. Tarbh. Cow. Bow. Crab. Portán. Deer. Fia. Dolphin. Deilf. Fish. Iasc. Grey wolf. Faolchú liath. Hare. Giorria. Hedgehog Gráinneog. Horse. Capall. Lobster. Gliomach. Mare. Láir. Mouse. Luch. Owl. Ulchabhán. Puppy. Coileán. Rat. Francach. Salmon. Bradán. Swan. Eala. Trout. Breac. Whale. Mealmore. Wren. Droline. Do you have a pet? What pet I got? Do you like to hunt wild animals? And my lad Ainmhithe fianna heilig. What does he eat? Cad the íhinse? How many pets do you have? Gavad pata tugat. How old is he? Ken Finn is a yellow Labrador. Is Labrador bui a Finn? I have 2 dogs now. Tara wadrogumanish. I have a dog. Tamadrogum. He's 10 years old. Tishache milina dish. My friend has a snake. Nathair caralum. Biggie parcha harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.